Yeah, man. Delta State and market. The rain when it fall, now not be everybody beat. Normally, now one person draw this rain. Normally, na a body draw this rain. I know say as I make sure a body name so, una come begin the attack because why? Okodi Tuji, na really agree say a thief because in our own. That's why you see say not people, they not agree. If you thief, they'll say you thief. Abasha when you do that time, you don't ever say any not person come carry Abasha for back. But when we talk about yes, say our own data, most especially Uroboso, we just say Okuna Tuji. We won't use cloth take back and back, which is not good. Now they key that our state now. Take a look now, make you look where the data state dey for all those states. Wetin we don achieve. Our children now come comot for here, they come go school now for other country. Better school not dey Delta State. Not all the old road dey bad finish. For Mogele to worry, all the old road dey bad. No road wey be say they do. Later now we come talk, come say, hey, man, I man. Ibodi wey go load 4.2 million pounds. Now we say they don't discover now. Say they won't carry the money corner, but you know go reach data. See now federal. They don't mention state where we take the money reach now. Or free Delta State now we not got there. Cause why now? Federal can tell you say the money so now they pay out to the state. But they don't cause the person when they say do Ibori normally now. Most of them do like bole. What do you call it? Una go the cost person. Say we this one, this. Now say they post on Facebook now. Cause see people they curse each other because of on that person issue. Of which you know say you when they call the person, so you know say yeah now true the person they talk, but you go say no, you want back up. Now they spoil that robo so. Now they spoil that Delta State. Now we see Delta State today, so all those roads they not do them. You know Delta State now? Orobo, the major problem of Delta State we get now. With the Orobo, now will be the particular major problem we say Delta State just get. Because why? Now we many pass for Delta State. Orobo may book but now we many pass. See what is center there. Now only Orobo there. No other tribe. Genus. Okudiro acho no no agree. We do wrong. Say no. See body when they release and see crowd when they follow am. Okay, now say if body say able to okay, yes, if they come out again now for governor, he go see win because you know why? Because community when we say blind people fool, person when man get one eye, now be the king. And I wish that they think say maybe we do be that. Like say most of us we blind. Now person when get one eye call the rule us. If we talk, una dey back people up, of which you know say na the truth. That mean they talk that means really thief If they come talk and you go back her up. Later on, I say we know say thief, but our own. Okay, you dey allow me dey curse am now, dey curse who dey curse am so you wan go put somebody for a body. Now I see the attack person for comment section normally. I know say after they read this now, they say una cause they curse me for comment section. Now you send me DM. Most of Urobo now they cause that data still make an about progress today. Now gonna be everything, both the local government share all of them. Now gonna be everything. Me I say I know in and out of that state. When it's Urobo so we dey do one thing where we say when I want try common food for person mouth, which is not good. Later, una go dey curse UPU. Una go dey curse UPU, na dey curse president of UPU, say na dey curse am. Say UPU office. Then they forbid say local government go do UPU office. Then una go dey curse UPU, say na UPU na UPU na be the problem of Delta State. Na be the problem of we the Urobo. Ibodi when thief so. What they call discover so. If we dey curse Ibodi now say no, e good. Now that one I be the bad thing when we say una get so kind leader, so kind elder for that Urobo so. Umemo Organ emitted now. There's okay, me they stop to they do bad, but the leaders there and the old men now they start. Now if the youth now don't cause change now cause say the youth now say the youth they don't tell you do again. Now they now say the point in the youth mind. See election when they do. Carry ballot box, cause they give one person. Now not allow person to do free and fair election. Or in our one. We know say yes, there's a time now for Urhobo to provide governor. But we know say yes, Urhobo go still lose guard. And if we lose guard, it don't finish. True Igbo, then I will tell no Dwaga, no Okowa. We know them for because why we think our own. They faithful to us. If bring person come, we vote for them. Since they not be PDP, they rule now. Urhobo now we to Obon so that we feel no say yeah, we feel provide one person for ground. If you call Vioto as governor, so that it will make it now baffle. The nation